Welcome back to our channel, guys. See here, this guy is making $500,000 per year, and I'll show you another channel. Okay, Wild, this is the second channel. See here, this guy is making more than $350,000 per year. You know, guys, this kind of earnings is easy possible in YouTube. This kind of online money making. You know how you can make money? You know, more than $80,000 you can make by monthly. How you can make money? It's very simple strategy, guys. I'll show you how you can make by starting a YouTube channel. Okay, open your YouTube channel. This is a channel, guys, Giottus. Okay, this is a new channel. You know, just they have 185 videos, and right now 1.2 million subscribers is available right now. Okay, so see the videos of them. Okay, they are not showing the ways, they are not doing any content, they are not shooting their videos, they are not taking any videos, they are not showing the face. You know, just see this one flag.
This is Raymond Abbas, also known by his Instagram handle Hushpuppy, after becoming one of the biggest.
Just they are editing someone videos. Okay, just they are editing someone videos and they are uploading in YouTube, and they are earning millions of monies, guys. Okay, Giottus, this is a new channel. Just they are uploaded. See here, just they are uploaded 180 videos and they are earning millions of dollars per year, guys. Okay, and do you know millions of dollars and by monthly? You know, a lot of people are earning that too, guys. Okay, it's very simple strategy. You know, this kind of things. You know, this Giottus, this is a new one. This guy is earning, you know, the videos. They are editing with a simple strategy and they are not showing the face. You know, you don't want to need to show your face, or you don't want to need to make a video, but you can make millions of dollars money. This is one channel. I'll show you another one channel. Okay, so she is brainy dose. This is another one channel. Okay, so this channel is also, you know, not they are showing the face or not where, you know, not showing the face unless they are not shooting any videos, and but they are earning millions of views and millions of dollars, guys. See here, 10 million views, 9.3, 8.7, 8.3 million videos. You can earn this much similar, like, guys. Okay, so guys, if you wanna earn, if you wanna do the same, it's very simple strategy. First of all, you should select the content which one you wanna do that. Okay, which one you wanna do that, and first of all you should select the content, then you can select the videos. Okay, selecting the videos is a lot of pages available, in the internet, and as well as in YouTube also you can download it. Okay, in YouTube also you can download, you know, like search it like dashcam. Okay, in YouTube also you can search it dashcam videos and you can download the YouTube videos. By downloading YouTube videos also you can select the content and you can edit the video. Just you have to edit the video.
Smart traders never miss a beat.
See here, 8 types of person with an evil heart. Okay, why you shouldn't tell people about your goals. Okay, like that you have to select the content and you should edit the videos. Okay, you don't want to show your face, or you don't want to spend to make video. Okay, you don't want to do anything. Just by selecting a content, you can edit the video and you can make millions of dollars in this sectors, guys. Okay, it's very simple strategy. I'll show you how you can that. Okay, first of all select the content and then you can download the video or download the clips or download the picture from a website. Okay, and then you can make use of it with some other Pixart, or you can open the Pixart, and you can make content. Okay, and you can make all the content together and you can make money of it. Okay, so you can make the content and then you can make interesting video with the videos. Okay, I'll show you the step by step. See this channel, Wazirx. This channel is earning, you know, like $350,000. They are $350,000 they are earning per month. You know, 7.1 million views in the last 30 days. You know, see here, 235th in animal rank, 222 in country rank, and 44,775 videos rank, and subscribers rank 1,554th rank. Why social blade rank this much, guys? Okay, like that their total B grade, total grade is B grade. Okay, subscriber for the 30 days is 16,000 subscribers is available, guys. Okay, do you want to do the same? You have to do the simple strategy, guys. Okay, see here the earnings rate of this videos, and you know 747k, 748k, they are earning millions of dollars in earning, guys. Okay, so with the same strategy, whale strategy is also similar. Just 42 videos, they are earning millions of dollars in this YouTube. Okay, this is also simple strategy. With this promotion, they are earning 350k dollars per month, as well as with promotions and some other activities in YouTube, they are earning more than $1 lakh per month, guys. Okay, that's a simple strategy. So do you want to do the same? First of all, you want to select the content, and you can just edit the video with Canva or Pixar, then you can re-upload in YouTube, guys, and you can make money of it, guys. It's very simple strategy. Okay, this kind of channels, they don't have any content. Okay, so see here, Mr. Winning Fun, this channel, see here, they don't have any content. They are copying some other videos from some other channels, and they're re-uploading, and they're making money of it, guys. Okay, these kind of simple things, you can make millions of dollars in YouTube. So you have to do the same. If you want to do the same, just simple things, guys. You can download the video, and you can edit the video, and you can re-upload. Just copy paste, and you can make millions of dollars in your videos, guys. Okay, I hope you like this. You can make more than $80,000 in upcoming new YouTube channel within a month, guys. Okay, for a new YouTube channel also, you can earn more than $80,000 per month. You can add it that much good, great. You have to select the content, and you have to re-upload the video, and you can make use of it, guys. Okay, I hope you like this video. YouTube are changing the people's lives, as well as the great in the history of the making, guys. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much.